There's no goddamn way we're going down that. It ain't happening. See? No. We're at the end of the road. This is it.
Big John, my buddy, Bear, he's a pussy because he thinks we can't go down that giant ravine that they seem to have dug up. I personally think we can. I just don't know if we'll ever get out or live. So what do you guys think?
What do you guys think? Tell us, please.
Thumbs up for going for it.
Or thumbs down for not.
For not seeing any more of my videos ever again.
Or us ever again.
So, if you're sick of my videos, go for it. Alright, let's go! Just kidding.
I wonder if we should get out and get a friggin' video of that close up.